Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope we enjoy each other today. Listen, I was asked to share how to set up or how to make viral content. I can't say viral, but I can say how to set it up with the hope that it will help you go viral. Besides thinking about what it is you want to, what your messaging is going to be about, or the fun, whether it's a trending dance, whether it's a trending sound. Give it some thought and then start putting the content of that together in the sense that, let's do this dance. Now, let's start looking for the subject. And you want to create a subject that's captivating, are enticing, so it'll stop people from scrolling, okay, whether that's TikTok or even YouTube. You want to come up with a very good catchy hook, okay? And if you don't know, you can, if you know how to Google, if you know how to use deep search or even chat GPT, it will give you some hooks ideas to what it is you want. Let's go with dancing. I want to do a hip hop dance. You go to chat GPT or Bing or deep search and say, hey, I want to do this hip hop dance. Give me 3 hooks. Give me some captions. Give me some SEO words. Give me some SEO hashtags. Now you're on your way, because those are the elements. That's your foundation. Okay. Now I'm going to read from my notes because I don't want to miss anything. I want you to get everything you need. Okay. So now that we got the captions, the keywords, the hashtags, we are ready now to set the video up. Once you set that video up, you're going to do certain steps to make that video. Not only you want a good, clear, high definition type video, you want to make sure you put the captions, the title, and the keywords on the screen. Slide it off where nobody can see everything that you put on the screen, because on the screen you only want the title and the captions. Okay. Now that we have that, we want to set it up where we can always ask our clients, when we do, our customers or followers, once you get your description set up, because we got the concept, the story, or should I say our messaging from research. If we don't know how, you put it in the description. Once you put it in the description, you're going to also do what they call a CTA, call to action. Like, share, comment. It's just like this video. I would love it if you would drop a comment. I would love it if you like it and share it. And that helps me, and it'll help you too. So that's really important that you put a CTA in it. Then once you have all of those elements, you got your title, you got your description, you dropped in some hashtags, and you do have keywords to follow that, then you set your location. If you have a store, you may want to add your website down below so that people will continue to follow you and you continue to grow from the video in the essence of, now you got the business coming through just one post. Now, consider this. Now that you have all of these things set up, now we got to look at what can we do to make this thing go viral. I would say your posting time need to be taken in consideration. Some people say early morning, lunch break, and afternoon. I say go to analytics and see when your followers or your audience is most active. And then that's when you know that's for sure the time you need to take advantage of. Now, if you're going to do 2 videos or 3 videos or 5 videos a day, you can spread your post out in the morning, at breakfast time, when just before people leave for work. Again, at lunch break between 11 and 1, when most people, and then of course, take in consideration your location, okay? Because East Coast and West Coast time zones is a couple hours difference. So now think about that. Posting breakfast, lunch, dinner, and go ahead, throw one in at bedtime. Because I do hear some people say they get their most followers at 10 after 10 o'clock at night, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. So take that also in consideration, is posting time. Do not skip that. When you put your subject on the screen, take advantage of the different font styles to make it pop out, make it stand out so people will stop the scroll, okay? Now, if you've watched the video this far, that means you're interested in what I'm saying. The next thing is, keep your time if you're under 10,000 followers. Now, this applies to TikTok. It does not apply to YouTube. Keep your followers. If your followers are under 10,000, keep your video seconds to 5 to 7 so people will watch it all the way through, okay? That will help your count. And once you get over 10,000, you need to do 1 minute. Make sure, if you have more than one niche, you get very good, become a master of hashtags, because that's how the algorithm know where to push your content out at. Don't forget, in our final summary of everything, we got our hashtags, our keywords, our title. We know now to put our description. We know to put our call to action there. Ask again people to like, share, and comment. And I hope this helped you, and I hope you can go viral at some point. You're definitely going to do it. The more you do it, the better you get at it.